Folks, with winter rapidly approaching, I thought I'd do my conversion, my winter conversion on my lawnmower. I've already loosened the screws here, and see how these new winter accessories work for this baby. These new winter skis are supposed to really extend the use of your lawnmower into the winter season. We'll see how they work out. I'll be sure to really simple conversion here. I'll be sure to let everybody know how it goes. But we're going to give it a try, and I'll be sure to report back once I've had a chance to use these babies. We're expecting snow tomorrow, so we'll see how it goes.